Okay, good morning everyone. This is Qyra here and she's opening her surprise egg by Daddy. What's this? Shiny. And your first one you got is, let's see, this bunny egg. Okay, Qyra, open your bunny egg. Okay. Oh, yes, clever. Why don't you open on the table? Open it on the table. Okay. Oh no, let me open for you. Open the wrap, yeah. Oh, open the wrap. Okay. Not the chocolate, baby. Okay, open the wrap. Wait.
Open. Open. Open.
Okay, let's just open the
This.
wrappers first.
Oh. Here.
The chocolate is stuck on the wrappers. So wait, baby. Okay, you want to take out the surprise? Surprise!
Okay.
Okay. You want to take out the surprise now?
Okay.
Okay, take. Oh. Eat it. Chocolate. Okay, open the surprise. Can you open it? What surprise! What's that? What's that inside? Open. Take it out.
Open.
You're closing it. Open it. Ah.
Ah.
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's an eraser. Look, it's a...
You.
Yes, and we've got the zoo flyers. It's an eraser of the Sly Bunny and Sly Fox, the Nick Wild, and also Judy Hop. Look, Qyra. Eraser. Okay? Okay, so for today, and we're going to let her eat the chocolate before it melts. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.